Hey guys, it's Lexa, and for this video, we're going to be doing something fun. So, the Disney Mystery Keys, they're like the Valentine's Day ones. These released online. They sold out like pretty fast, or at least faster than I could get them. And my Disney store actually happened to get them, so I got 6. And we are going to open them today and see what we got. Hopefully we got some good ones. Let's see. I'm hoping to get, oh my god, my vision, I can't really see. I do want Dumbo, and I think the mystery one was 101 Dalmatians. I don't remember, but if that's what it is, then that's what I want. Oh my god, okay. I'm very nervous to open these. Should I have gotten, like, some sort of, okay. First one, OMG. Oh, I definitely need to get scissors. So the first one we got is okay. Oh, okay. Oh my god, I just couldn't make out what that was at first. So the first one we got is Bambi. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. So the first one we got is Bambi. So yay! One original. Did I just literally just broke my nail opening that? That's amazing. I really should have planned a little bit better. Okay. Let's see what we got. Are you freaking kidding me? Like, I'm literally gonna sue. Okay, we have another freaking Bambi. Okay, just if anyone needs a Bambi, just let me know and we can do some trading. Are you out of your damn mind? I swear to God. All right, so we need to, this is just ridiculous. Disney damn bamboozled me. Let me just, okay. So let's hope we have some better luck. Yay! We have, I think this is the mystery one, the 101 Dalmatians. This is the one I wanted. It doesn't focus. It's fine, whatever. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It says, I'll wash you dry. What? Okay. Oh my god. Okay. At least I got one I wanted. Okay. How many did I open? I opened 3. Okay. Jesus. If it's, as long as I don't get another Bambi, I'm good. Y'all, I'm suing. Okay, so we have another 101 Dalmatians. This is literally like just okay. This is so annoying. I'm gonna get 6 and I'm gonna get 6 different ones and let's give me like the good vibes. Nope. Okay. 2 more. My boyfriend got me one too, so I'll probably have him FaceTime me and open it up because I can't even wait at this point. You guys can see it first, even though it's gonna be blurry and you can't see it. Are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding? And okay, so when I was at the, oh, I have to not curse. I swear to God, I even picked them from like random spots. Like I didn't even like pick, like, you know how when you could pick like the first 4? I didn't do that. I'm never watching Bambi again. If this is Bambi, I swear Shop Disney is getting a strongly worded letter from me. Are you freaking kidding me? It's freaking Bambi. Oh my god. I am I can't. I literally cannot. Out of all of these, I get... This is the same thing with the Wishables unboxing. I got all the Beauty and the Beast ones, and I ended up with freaking 4 wardrobes. Y'all say a prayer for me, because I swear, okay, I'm never watching Bambi again. And that is the conclusion of this video. Well, I should just pick like the first 4 from the top. If I have to FaceTime my boyfriend, and I have to tell him to just open the one that he got me, because I'll let you know. I'll put in another clip of what he got. And I have to figure out how to blur the curse word I just said. So we got 6. And 4 of them were Bambi. 1 of them is on the floor somewhere because I threw it. And 2 of the like mystery ones. So 2 of the 101 Dalmatians. So I'll be trading probably on Facebook, I'm assuming. This is ridiculous. They damn sent the store half Bambi and half 101 Dalmatians. That's what they did. That's exactly what they did. I'm a little frustrated. Just a little bit. Now I know why I never bought that Bambi plush, because I mean, it's cute, but I'm not doing 4. I'm not doing 4 of them. Okay, so we're not ending this video in a good mood, but yeah, so anyway, I'm hoping to do more unboxings, but maybe after this, maybe I'm not. We'll see what happens. Yeah, so if you want to trade, please let me know, because anyway, so basically, remember when I said to you that my boyfriend also bought me one? Well, he opened it, and it's Bambi. So we had 7, 5 are Bambi. So that's a movie I'm not watching again. So anyway, so this is such a fail. I do hope, though, that it was entertaining for you guys, my frustration. But anyway, thank you for watching the Enchanted Rose channel, and I will see you again soon. Bye.